me RJ. Today we are reviewing the Nineo II, second generation. These are 9,004 lights, LEDs in a housing. We already did one, show them. Okay, now show them what that looks like. Their factory. I'll show them behind you. As you can see, it's not right as I point yet, but it's hard to tell. These are adjustable in multiple ways. Affect that. These bulbs have the adjusting of the housing. I'm going to buy a new housing because it's too old and crusty. If you can see, I'm blinding myself. So they have an ability see how high those are? Uses a different way. See? They have the cutoff up and down, see? So what do you think? Right about there is best?
Yeah.
Does that look good?
Yeah.
Okay, you tell me what you think. It's too high, right?
I think that looks good.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay, go out there. Yeah, they're not mine. It's also an oncoming driver. Look at me. I'm fine.
Yeah.
Looking as long as I'm looking at them.
Yeah.
They're not as bright as I was hoping, but a big part of that is the housing. It's all brighter than that. So, you think that's a good height too?
I think so.
Almost. Okay, I'm gonna show you why I'm saying it. Because show them down here. I just got new fog lights. These are regular fog lights, the LED. But can you see how clear they are?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now watch. Watch it go on the wall. Those aren't even LEDs. They are bright. Alright, so we're going to change this other one out so we can get a get an idea. So the way they go on, can you see in here still? Is it still bright enough?
It's not really.
Where's that flashlight? You fit in?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can show that where I'm looking so I can see too. Ow. Okay, so there's that. You gotta push these in turn with a bracket. And just get this guy out. It's an easy replacement. As you can see, this one's pretty roasted too. Okay. So pause it for a minute. Yeah, we can show the video, I'm just saying. Alright guys, so you want to put it in like this way at first. But what I'm going to show you, see these here? They're adjustable. They got clips that clip the spots, and that's to help you get diffusion of where you need the bulb to go, okay? So I'm going to put this guy in like this. See?
Flat. Is it flat?
Yes. I mean, it's the way they show, but it doesn't mean it's going to stay that way. So you got to find the things. There's, spots where certainly only the bulb fits. Find this. There. See them? So it's not flat right now anyway. So you put that on. See this here? These have an adapter. See this? I'm going to show you. So gently remove your actual power source because you need to put this on. Come here. You got to put this on. It's got to go in. I don't put it the right way. In like this, and let's pull it out and do this. So you gotta get this.
Did you have it on the...
How's it? This comes off, guys. I forgot, I'm sorry. I did the other one the other day. Ooh. Okay, showing them. So this slips off so that you can get that on like that. Okay, and once it's on, down in there like that, gently slip it all the way where it goes, okay? Show them. Right here. Becomes harder because you gotta figure out where that is. Then these go in, there's hole, like ridges, see? And now it's in. There's the plug. Shouldn't have light here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so both down. Shouldn't have light around. Got it? I don't know, you dropped something. Screwdriver, probably. I'll find it in a second. Okay. Get that on, and then tighten this. Okay? So keeps it sealed. And you just take this, and you go like that, and you can just tuck it away inside the housing there. So that way. Okay? And not restrict the fans for cooling, okay? So put it like down there if you can. If you have to, zip tie it in place. Probably the best bet. It's probably what I'm gonna do. Pause this. Alright guys, let's hope for the best. Here we go.
That
right one is way brighter than this one.
Yeah.
Because this housing's bad. Look, see the housing? Can you kind of tell? Can you tell in it how bad and fuzzy it is? It doesn't look bad. This one's not as bad. Okay, now watch out. I'm going to adjust it. Where do you think? That's too far out, right? Is that better, you think? What's the best for it? Is that the best? Less spray?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Think it's better?
Yeah. I don't know.
Reflecting amazing on this side. That one, I hope it's not the bulb. You never know.
Yeah.
It look like nowhere near as much light,
Yeah.
but it is a reflector housing.
It could be.
Right. Kind of like if I got it in there, like maybe it's not fully plugged in. We need new housing. What?
Yeah, we'll buy the things and then we'll see.
So, but way better than I had, and I don't even have to put even else on yet. I think it's a little rider from Rankins. 5 minutes to check it out. I feel like that's over here too far, don't you?
No, that one's over far. It's just not as bright, so you can't tell.
Got a light right here with the flashlight. That's the wrong way, so I need to go this way. Lots of steam coming in.
Yeah.
What more in front of me? You hear me?
Yeah.
Sides so much. Good? What do you think?
I think so.
A lot better? Should I go a little more? Yeah?
Yeah.
And what do you think about up or down? The main pattern of the beam's on the straight front end.
What?
What do you think about up or down? Look okay to you, up or down?
Maybe up a little bit.
No, you go up in
Oh.
space.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
My car for that. Yeah, it's not filling that housing at all. I wonder if it's the bulb or the housing. What do you think?
I don't know.
It looks like there's a lot less light in there, but it could be the whole house. This one, he was holding water before.
Yeah.
Watch out. Did I ever turn this yet?
Yeah, you did.
I did. Let's see what we can do. Maybe get a better reflection. Is that better? No, that's better, right?
No.
Confusing
No, it's
it.
two.
Up in
There you go.
I'm hoping this bulb won't him in the back. That one's way bright. I won't be able to tell until I get the new housings. Where's the best spot? Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Better? Right there?
Mhm.
Yeah, now let's see. Okay, where do you think I'm at? Is that the beam more?
No, I think it's It's right, more right there.
Out here?
Over.
I need to bring it in too.
Yeah.
Okay, light over here. Got it. That's what it did. Look at that. That's how they do it. So better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, in front, a lot more, right?
Yeah.
See the difference?
Yeah.
That's all this one's got about. So a new light will help. Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, you think we're good for now?
I think so.
Alright everybody, so it's the Nineos. I'm going to give you an updated review when I get the new housing with clear glass. I'm not sure, I might buy these same, but I think I'm going to buy these other ones that are a two-piece, but they're like a newer style, and they're clear glass like the newer ones, which yeah, it fogs, but so does this old stuff. That's plastic too, it's not even glass like I thought, it's plastic. Yeah. Alright, so any questions? That's how to install light on a 97 Dodge Ram. I showed you, kind of. I mean, I'll show you a few days. It's pretty simple. So much brighter they are. There's my vision. I think I should probably adjust my fogs a little now, don't you? If they were pointing so high. Well, as always, I'm RJ. Seize the day, each and every day. Bye-bye. I like these lights. I'm hoping it's my housing, because this one was holding like an inch of water, and it could have like ruined the reflective surface. Yeah, see, look, it looks like the reflective surface is gone in there.
Yeah.
So if it did, and then also you can see right here, that's definitely messed up. So we'll find out when I get the new housing. All right, so yeah, that's it. As always, I'm RJ, seize the day each and every day.
We'll put the link in for the
We'll put the link
headlights.
pretty below. They are directable though. The nice thing is, I mean, you're not, as a driver, they're not directly in my eyes. You know? I brought them in. I think these might need to go down just a tad on this one. Which way's that? Ready? Watch it. What am I doing right now?
I can't
Down?
tell.
Watch the wall. Is that up?
They're going down, I
That's
think.
down?
I don't know.
Watch the wall. That's up, right?
Yeah.
That's definitely up. Oh, I can just look at them. I'm stupid. Right here, you can see. Yeah, that's down. Okay? So we'll see how it works out. See if that goes down a little for me. That down low. Watch around this. Okay. Alright, so that's it. Good lights so far. That one's awesome. Like, you can look at the housing, but that could be the reflector back of it. Okay?
Yeah.
So we'll update you in a few days when I get the new one. Alright? Please like, subscribe, check these lights out below. They were $49 for two. So, not too bad. Cheaper than regular bulbs. Alright? Bye-bye.